Good morning, it's 5:30 again and we are ready for day number 2. Outfit of the day is dress by Oysho and there are pants underneath, so it's very comfortable with pockets. I didn't even explain where I'm going, so basically I'm going to take the direct train from my city to Rimini, and then from there I'm gonna take the bus to San Marino. So I made it on the train. Now I have 3 hours. I will arrive around 10 a.m. I finally made it to Rimini and now I have to look for the place to take the bus to San Marino, which is supposed to be an hotel nearby, so I have to look for that, and the bus is at 10:30. Apparently I need to go and book the ticket first. We made it in time and she told me it's the last one, so I got very lucky, because otherwise I would have waited for the 11:21, but I got the 10:31. In San Marino. I'm officially in my 23rd country. I'm so happy I finally got out of the bus because I was a bit sick. It's actually kind of peaceful here. I'm liking it so far. To the old part, the historical part, and it's very pretty up here. sweating so much. This place is very intense because there are a lot of steps and hikes, so I'm dead, literally dead, and it's also so hot, but it's very, very beautiful. I love it. I didn't know what to expect, but I love it so far. I stopped because I had an emergency, because yesterday I had blisters from walking and they put band-aids on, but with the heat they fell off, so my feet are hurting so much I have to put new band-aids on. So I was saying, I love this place so much. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful and also this big. On the map it looked tiny, but it's actually like big. There's a lot of things to see, but it's so hot. Hiking down, it's even worse because I feel like I'm falling. I'm slowly making my way towards the bus station to go back to Rimini. I can't emphasize enough how much I loved this place, because maybe I had no expectations. At the bus station there should be free toilet, so I pray and hope, because I have to pee so bad. The band-aids on my feet are falling off again and it hurts so much. The last flight of stairs before I reach the bus station, I hope, because I'm so done. And also my band-aids fell off completely again because I sweat so much. It was purchased. And now let's investigate the bathrooms. I look disgusting, but I really have to be. Mission completed. Made it back to Rimini, and now the plan is to go to the city center and then the beach and then back to the train station. I'm so sleepy. I was almost falling asleep on the bus. I would love to take a nap right now. I walked around the city center, but it's so hot. It's around 2:30, so it's the hottest time. And I found a bench kinda in the shade, so I've been resting. I will drink some water and then I will head to the beach. This area is so beautiful. It's surrounded by street art and it's so beautiful, and there's literally no one around. Like, it's empty. So glad I came here because it's so beautiful. Like, look at that. I'm actually going to the beach, I think. I need to pee so bad, but first of all, I don't know where to find a bathroom. Second of all, every time I have to pee, because this is like a jumper. Here's the train, okay, like all attached. Every time I have to go to the bathroom, I have to strip down bare naked. Usually I'm just paranoid that someone walks on me while I'm peeing, but this time I'm also paranoid because if someone walks in while I'm peeing, I'm also naked. I made it to the beach and there were 5 bathrooms. I'm so happy. I'm so very happy now. I was about to pee myself. They're filthy, but like, it's fine. Anything will do right now. Mission completed and oh my god, it's so hot. I'm collecting seashells. I'm having such a great time right now. I'm just here collecting seashells and I feel so happy and content with everything. Like today was amazing. I'm having such a great time and I feel so happy with my life right now in this moment that I can't help it but smile because I just feel so happy. I don't remember the last time I felt so good. Like I just feel content and satisfied and I'm also a bit like emotional because of that. My train is in half an hour, so I'm going back to the station now and my phone is almost dead. I don't want to jinx it because I still have to take the train back, so it could go wrong, but so far everything was perfect. The timings, the places I went to, everything was amazing. Like, kind of have to run to the train station now. I thought it was closer, but it's fine. We will make it, I'm now close to the station, so I was overreacting a bit, but I mean, it's fine. Better safe than sorry. I need to wait 10 minutes to spare. I finally arrived home, very tired. Now I need to take a shower. So basically what happened is that I was supposed to take the train from Rimini all the way to my city. That train went all the way to Milan. At the beginning, not a lot of people were there, but it got crowded very quickly. Of course, like someone was sit next to me and the whole train was very full. Like some people were standing. The air conditioning was kind of low. It wasn't hot, but there was no air conditioning. You know, I was fine, but like I was a bit tight. But then what happened is that they announced that the train was broken. So when we got to Bologna, the train stopped and they handled the situation quite efficiently because the substitute train was there when we arrived in Bologna on the other platform next to the one we got off at. And so we just came out of the train, got on the next one and left with no delay, nothing. The substitute train was very cold, like it was being in a glacier, and there were sketchy people on it. I didn't really like it, but we made it eventually. I can't emphasize enough how amazing today was. I'm very happy with everything and I'm very content in general. So see you tomorrow for the next adventure, I guess.